of Pintig, Talunasan Elementary School. Second place, Ivan Ray Malino, Coach Maria Cecilia Husain of Calapi Central Elementary School. And the first place, second prize, Amila K. Dumanakaw, Coach Ilya Patulin of Pintig, Talunasan Elementary School. First prize, Daniel Lasok, Coach Mary Ann Mahumon of Bunbun Tatbunan Elementary School. Krisha K. Dumaya, Coach Risa K. Nazareno of Pintig, Talunasan Elementary School. And first place, Chista Richelle Chavez, Coach Cheryl Tuloy of Kina.